everybody, sorry I tried to get to this sooner, and I wanted to show you guys how I mix up my colors without having to layer them. And obviously I tried to do this before crazy girl over here got home. So I kind of swatched them already. I'm not going to wait for anybody to hop on. If you guys have any questions, you guys can just drop them below and I'll answer them. So what I went ahead and did was I mixed apple cider, Kiss for a Cause, and then Violet Volt, which is back in stock. Oh my goodness. And then this is the color that I made. So what I do is I take the little like tattoo ink pots, and then I just take my LipSense. You're shaking too much, baby. You're moving my whole thing over here. Sorry guys, hold on. I gotta fix this. And shoot. Okay, there we go. So what I do is I just take a little bit of each color. Can't use that. Stop playing around, okay? And then what I do is I just put a little bit into the ink pot. And just by like rubbing just a little bit of it on the side. And then next I'm going to take the next color. A little bit of the purple. And so if you don't know, you can mix the colors. Yeah. And apple cider is I'm not sorry, not apple cider. I said apple cider earlier, you guys. I'm sorry, it's First Love. And then this one is kind of hard to put on. So what I like to do is I like to use it to mix with other colors, and it just helps it. I mean, it goes on really, really good. Yep, perfect. So this is what it looks like in there, and I kind of just try to remember the proportions that I put in there. You'll probably need just a little bit more than that. I already pre-mixed it, kind of playing around. I'm trying to find like some cool shades to wear. I'm leaving for Pitt, which is Princess in Training for Senegence on Friday. I'm going for my MUA certification. So I'm just looking for something a little different.
Are you leaving this Friday?
Yeah, this Friday.
So after tomorrow?
What's today, Wednesday?
Yeah.
Yeah, after tomorrow. So I'm just going to put a little bit more so I don't have to keep on mixing. Then what I'm going to do is take one of my disposable wands, and then you're just going to mix it up in there. And the nice thing is it doesn't like dry instantly. So you have time when it's in the pot to work with it. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up.
I got all.
And then you can see the shade that it turns, which is that color there. So now my lips are clean, so I'm going to go ahead and apply 3 thin layers. And this is the color I'm going to wear. I'm kind of playing around with them just to see what I want to wear this weekend.
I think she's going to wear that color because I like that color. That's pretty.
And you picked it out, right?
Uh-huh. I like that color very much.
It's pretty.
Yeah, I like the purple too because I got this one on my hand. It's very cute. I got the mix up too. Right there.
You did.
Mommy, is Daddy going to watch us when you go?
Yeah, I'll give you the details after, okay, babe? Right now I'm live, so. She's my little worry bee. Okay, so that's the second layer, and then I'm going to do the third layer. It almost reminds me of like a purplish, like Goddess or Sassy Z?
Like our dog.
Our dog?
Goddess, you said Goddess.
Oh. Our dog isn't Goddess. You mean Gabbana?
No, Goddess. I passed away. Remember?
Oh.
Goddess.
Gaudy.
Oh.
So inside the pot here, you just let it dry. And then what you can do is, it's easier to clean because you can reuse them. I reuse them all the time. And so you just let it dry, and this is a dry one, and then you just take like alcohol or like
Not real.
just some water and wipe it right off, and it comes right off. So you just reuse them. So if anybody needs a color and wants to purchase anything, let me know. I just got my site up, so it's RochelleValley.com, and you can see all the shades available. And then what I'm doing, let me put some gloss on real quick.
What is that, gloss?
Gloss. Whoops.
You just apply it on your lips.
Yep.
It's really, like, I haven't tried it
Sorry,
yet.
I'm using one of my little samples because I forgot to grab gloss. This works. You can see it doesn't come off. Nope, doesn't come off. Oh, I got like little pieces of it on me. So you guys can see it'll last all day.
It'll last every single day, but except for if you want to like
my little contraption's falling apart over here. So if you place an order before I leave, I'll go ahead and send you, I kind of have like a handful of disposable wands. Valentina, not in my face, buddy. Disposable wands, and then I have a few of the ink pots that I'll put with your order so that you can play around and mix up your colors and have fun with it. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Me and Crazy Girl over here are gonna go do some errands. So you guys have a good day. We'll talk soon. Bye.